Can't drink tequila on set. This is a family show.
Okay, fine, yeah. Let's get straight to it then. Hey guys, it's taco time. And we are taking a modern twist. We are saying bye-bye to Rajma and hello Tempeh in my tacos. We are going to redefine a taco, making it easy, delicious, and you want to know the best part? It goes great with tequila.
What did I say about tequila?
Tacos always take me to my happy place, and that's what we are going to do with tempeh. What is tempeh? Tempeh is nothing but fermented soybean that forms into a block. You can either cube it, mash it, or mince it and create this starry wonder. So into a non-stick pan goes in about 25 mils of extra virgin olive oil. And as we allow that to get nice and hot, it's all about dumping everything in. So in goes 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 bell peppers, the yellow bell pepper, 8 cloves of garlic, and just allow it all to cook together. While the colors in my pan scream the Mexican heritage, it's time to spice things up. So smoked red paprika, roasted cumin powder. And it's time now to take the Sriracha tempeh that I had minced up and dunk that in. It's time to create what really goes into a taco other than this, and that's some fantastic guacamole. So out here, I've got some avocado. And my easy peasy, or rather easy breezy guacamole is ready. With my stuffing done, it's now time just to plate and bring everything together. The beauty about tempeh in my stuffing is that with it being a lean protein, it's also great in fiber and it's so good for your gut. So imagine lean protein and great for your gut and goes really well in a taco. And because I never got my tequila, I'm going to double down on this.